You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. Without comment, February 4th, the U.S. Supreme Court rejected an emergency appeal from the California GOP to block the state's Proposition 50 congressional redistricting as racially gerrymandered. What's next in the Trump gerrymandering wars? Though the U.S. Supreme Court's majority ignored racial gerrymandering in Texas and allowed 5 new GOP-leaning congressional districts, it was far from certain whether the politicized high court majority would allow California's maps to stand. In the end, the court's rejection was just 21 words long, with no explanation and no written dissent, as there was in the Texas appeal. California's Proposition 50 measure, approved by voters, allowed the legislature to gerrymander 5 Democratic-leaning seats in response to Texas. That map stands for the midterm. Now all eyes are on Florida, Maryland, and Virginia. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis called a special session of the legislature for April 20th to manipulate the current map for 3 to 5 more GOP seats. February 4th, a Virginia Circuit Court of Appeals asked the Virginia Supreme Court to rule on whether a ballot measure authorizing mid-decade redistricting was constitutional. Maryland's House passed a redistricting proposal February 3rd, but it faces an uncertain fate in the Senate. We have links to local reporting and the High Court's rejection at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal. Find us on Blue Sky at Democracy Minute.